Namaste. Today's our topic is heart failure and cardiomyopathy. Because of lot of reasons we get heart failure, maybe because of the blockage. If you are not minding, there is a chance of heart attack, and the patient face heart failure, right and left heart failure maybe. Usually after blockage, most of the patients get left heart failure. Left heart function comes down to 35, 20 like that, depending on the patient's heart muscle strength and how much collateral it develops. Then there is a chance those who have valvular stenosis, mitral valve stenosis, aortic valve stenosis, or regurgitation, valvular regurgitation also a cause for heart failure. Another then after thrombus formation, heart failure happens. All this mainly along with the blockage, the dilated cardiomyopathy also lead to heart failure. Okay, when the heart function comes down below 35, it's severe dysfunction of left ventricle. Above 35, it is moderate dysfunction. Okay, then if it is above 45, it is mild dysfunction. So we have to keep our heart very strong. Usually when heart failure happens, we don't get any result, or we cannot improve the heart function. When myocardium gets spoiled or myocardium is scarred, it never come back. That is science. But I cannot say like that. Even if I say, somebody say, most of the people mock at me, tease me like it's never happened. But I have lot of echo reports with me, ECG reports with me, those who got good result. Even there is so many claiming that there is we can improve the heart function. No, how it is telling, like how it happens when heart failure occurs, that time heart pumping comes to 20, 15 like that. After 1 or 2 weeks, after giving proper diuretics and all, the echo reading will be proper. Then the heart function will be 30, 35 or 40. That means actual the heart is functioning 40, 40. It's not because of any treatment or anything like that. After getting that, again improving that level, it's very difficult. Some of the patient will be on 20 or 25 itself. Still improving that heart function is, we cannot imagine that. Okay. But when the patient come to me, it's depend how I am getting result. For above 35%, most of the patient get very good result. If it is within 1 or 2 year, 3 year, if they come, I could able to give lot of improvement. Even I can make their heart even to the normal. There is result I got. Without, there is no RWMA like that, there is no dilated cardiomyopathy like that. Even in ECG we get the result. So most of the time I get such good, because I am very much proficient in heart failure treatment, and mostly because of the dilated cardiomyopathy I get lot of result, lot of patients like that. Nearly 4,000 patients I treated, but for PAH and hypertrophy and I treated only 150, 100 patients, and I got the result like that. But this is very efficiently, provisionally I am treating, and I am getting very good result and feedback from the patient. If it is below 35 or 30, the patient starts symptoms. So I always tell the patient, whether you are comfortable with this treatment, then only you continue. So I give first course of medication for 45 days. 45 days, if the patient take the medicine, then he is very comfortable, he symptomatically. Usually the patient with heart failure, they may not able to sleep at night, they have to sit and sleep, they are full of swelling, they cannot move, they cannot do anything, always no appetite, lot of very dangerous, very difficult problems they usually face. All that will be reduced within 8 to 21 days. The patient feel very comfortable. I am not talking about everybody, but lot of patients get such a result. Then after that, after 45 days, the patient is very happy, I will tell the patient to take echo and ECG depending on the result. Sometimes we get in echo result, sometimes we won't get any result, but the patient will be symptomatically improved. Then the patient is symptomatically improved, definitely we can give the treatment continuous, because the heart is so much big, like bowl like that. Then how I will give the treatment and how I will get the result? If the patient is suffocating and lot of problems comes, we cannot do the treatment on the patient. No? So he has to admit in the hospital. So I see 45 days, if the patient symptomatically he is improving, we can continue the treatment. Usually if the patient with 30, 35 above patients, usually I get within 1.5, 2 years we get the result. But if the patient within 1 or 2, 3 years if they are coming, definitely you will get very improved result. But when it is 9, 10, 15, 20, 20, like this type of ejection fraction, then since the patient is suffering from 4 years, 8 years, 9 years and all, I face so much problems. Still, I try to give good result. Lot of patients get the result. If it very recently happened, definitely even 20-25% patient also get very good result, even the improvement, even they come to, even sometimes I get reverse cardiomyopathy, there is no RWMA, even such patient, such result also I get. Very rarely I treated hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, that is the thickness. Dilated cardiomyopathy is the conduction system is affected, heart is dilating so much and like becoming a football, then heart function drop down. In hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, IVS and LVPW thickness, IVS will be asymmetrically thickened. One place it will be thickened, one place it is small, along with the conduction system problem. So I get that also, even along with the obstructive cardiomyopathy, hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy also I get the result, but I am not very talented, very proficient in treatment, because I get very rare patients like that. 150 patients only I treated, but for dilated cardiomyopathy nearly 4,000 patients I treated. Even restricted cardiomyopathy I treated, but only 6-7 patients, only one patient is there now, that all. I don't have that much clinical experience on this, but the patient who comes with the dilated cardiomyopathy, maybe even their heart function comes to 15-20, the liver function, renal function, all the system is on failure. Even that stage also I usually give good result, good improvement to the patient. Okay, so those who are very much upset because of your disease, you do not have any other way, nobody can treat, nobody is giving result, like that, you may not live so much, you may get all these comments from different people. Don't worry about that. You can visit my website, Aeroheart website, you will get all the details there. You can contact me. There is no need of coming and staying here, no need of coming here. You just contact me. I will tell you to send the reports. I will see to that and I will give you suggestions how to do, what to do, and what is the next stage, all that I will give you. I am not telling within 45 days your echo and ECG will be normal or will be improved, but definitely the symptoms will be improved. If the patient symptoms are okay, very easily we can treat. That is the main point I want to convey you. Thank you so much.
ഈ രോഗത്തെക്കുറിച്ചും രോഗചികിത്സയെക്കുറിച്ചും ആധികാരികമായിട്ടുള്ള അറിവ് ഇനിയും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ദയവായി ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, കൂടെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടി അമർത്തുക.